Now you take the 4 marks question of the LBA of the chapter quadratic equation. Question number 66. A motor boat whose speed is 11 km per hour in still water takes 2 hours 45 minutes to go 12 km upstream, then to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. Here, speed of the stream is to be find out. Let us consider the speed of the stream equals x km per hour. In the downstream, it becomes 11 plus x as it moves with the movement of the water. And in the upstream, it moves in the opposite direction of the flow of the water. So it becomes 11 minus x. It is the speed of the boat in the downstream. This is the speed of the boat in the upstream. In the downstream, it increases with the speed of the stream, and in the upstream, it decreases with the speed of the stream. Now, time taken in the upstream is distance by speed, that is 12 by 11 minus x, and in the downstream it is 12 by 11 plus x, and total time taken is given, that is 2 hours 45 minutes. Let you write, let speed of the stream equals x kilometer per hour, and given that speed of the motor boat in still water is given, that is 11 kilometer per hour. Speed of boat in still water means there is no movement of stream, movement of water, that is in the still water 11 kilometer per hour. Next, speed of boat in upstream. Take speed in upstream. Speed in upstream, it becomes less. How much less? 11 minus x kilometer per hour. And speed in the downstream, it increases. How much it increases? Increases by the speed of the stream, which is x. So you can write 11 plus x kilometer per hour. It is in still water, it is in the upstream, it is in the downstream. Here we have to add the speed of the stream in the downstream, and we have to subtract speed of the stream in upstream. In the downstream, we have to add the speed of the stream to the speed of the boat, and in the upstream, we have to subtract speed of the stream from the speed of the boat. Now, time taken. Time taken in upstream equals, let us take it as T1 is equals to distance by speed. Distance is how much? 12 kilometer, and in the upstream the speed is 11 minus x. So 12 by 11 minus x, and time taken in downstream, take it as T2 is 12 by 11 plus x. This is the first time, this is the second time. Total time taken. Total time taken to go in the upstream and coming back in the downstream is equals to how much? 2 hours 45 minutes. Then you write T1 plus T2 or 1 plus 2, first plus second is equals to what? First plus second equals 2 hour 45 minutes. First one is first time, that is 12 by 11 minus x plus 12 by 11 plus x equals 2 45 by 60. Here also you can write it. Here only you write 2 45 by 60, which is equals to 15 3 is 15 4 is 2 hours 3 by 4, 2 and 3 by 4 hours. Then you write 2 3 by 4. Then you write here, you can remove 12 common, it becomes easy for you. 12 into, here you take 1 by 11 minus x plus 1 by 11 plus x. Here we have to convert this into improper fraction. 4 2 is 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 by 4. 2 3 by 4 is 11 by 4. Now here 12 into 4 you can write. 12 4s are 48 into, here you take the LCM, 11 minus x into 11 plus x becomes the LCM. The product of these two becomes the LCM. 11 minus x into 11 plus x. Here, then here 1 into 11 plus x plus 1 into 11 minus x. 1 into 11 plus x plus 1 into 11 minus x. Here 4 is taken. So what is remaining here? 11. Then you write 48 into 11 minus x into 11 plus x becomes, here you can use the identity a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square is 11 square minus x square. 11 square minus x square. Here 1 into 11, 11. 1 into x, x. Plus 1 into 11, 11. 1 into minus x equals 11. Then you write 48 into, here plus x minus x cancels. 11 plus 11 is 22. Then 11 square. 11 square is 121 minus x square equals 11. Now you can cancel 11 ones are 11 twos are 48 twos are 48 twos are 96. 96 equals, here 121 into 121 minus x square into 1 you write, that is same as 121 minus x square. This into 1 is same. Here you have to find the value of x. So transfer this to the LHS. It becomes 96 minus 121 equals minus x square. Here you have to subtract 96 by 121. 121 minus 96. 11 minus 6 is 5. And 11 minus 9 is 2. You got 25. 25 equals x square. That is nothing but x square equals 25. Then x equals root 25, which is equals to 5. Here we have to consider 5 only, positive only. Then you write x equals 5 you got. That is the speed of the stream. Speed of stream equals 5 km per hour. 5 kilometer per. Question number 67. The ages of two students A and B are 19 years and 15 years respectively. Find how many years it will take so that the product of their ages becomes equal to 480. Let us consider after x years the product of their ages becomes 480. Let after x years product of their ages becomes 480. So you take 19 plus x, means after x years A's age becomes 19 plus x, B's age becomes 15 plus x. So you take 19 plus x into 15 plus x equals 480. Then 19 into 15 plus 19 into x plus x into 15 plus x into x. Let us write the product here. 15 nines are 135 and 13 carry. 15 ones are 15 plus 13, it becomes 285 plus 19 into x, 19x plus x into 15, 15x plus x into x, x square. Transfer this 480 to LHS equals 0. Then write x square as a first term to bring this to the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 plus 19 plus 15 is 34 minus 480 plus 285 is there. We have to subtract and we have to put negative sign. 480 minus 285, 10 minus 5, 5. Here 7 is remaining. 17 minus 8, 9. 3 is remaining. 3 minus 2, 1. Right? Minus 195 is equals to 0. Then here we have to factorize it. You got the equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 and the product is x square into minus 195, product equals x square into minus 195 which is equals to minus 195 x square, and the sum is the middle term, that is the 34x. We have to split minus 195 x square. As the product is having, the factors are having different sign. The greater factor is having the sign of the sum, that is the sign of the middle term, plus minus. Next you take the factors of 195. Factorize 195. 195 is not divisible by 2 and 3. Next you take 5. 5, 3 is a 15 and 5 9s are. Then you take here 39 itself is a prime number, 39 ones are. Then you can take plus 39x minus 5x. Write x square as it is plus 34 as plus 39x minus 5x minus 195 equals 0. Here you remove common. What is common? X is common. X into x plus 39 minus 5 into x plus 39 equals 0. Common factor is x plus 39. X plus 39 into x minus 5 equals 0. Equate each factors to 0. X plus 39 equals 0 or x minus 5 equals 0. X equals 0. Transfer this 39. It becomes minus 39. Here x equals 0 plus 5. You got x equals minus 39 and x equals 5. We have to consider this one because after how many years means it must be positive. So you got x equals 5. Then you can take that after 5 years the product of their ages becomes 480. Then you write after 5 years product of their ages becomes 480. Product of their ages becomes 480. Question number 68. A motor boat goes down the stream 30 km and again returns to the starting point in a total time of 4 hours and 30 minutes. If the speed of the stream is 5 km per hour, then find the speed of the motor boat in still water. In question number 66, we have to find the speed of the stream. What is given? Speed of the motor boat in still water is given and we have to find the speed of the stream. In this question, in question number 68, speed of the stream is given. We have to find the speed of the motor boat in the still water. In this case, what we have to take? We have to take the speed of the motor boat in still water equals x kilometer per hour. You take let speed of motor boat in still water equals x kilometer per hour. Speed of motor boat in upstream. Let us write speed of motor boat in upstream, that is x minus 5 because 5 is the speed of the stream, x minus 5 kilometer per hour, and speed of the motor boat in downstream equals x plus 5. It moves with the water, so we have to take x plus 5 kilometer per hour. Then time taken. Time taken in upstream. What is the total distance? Total distance is 30 kilometer. Then 30 by x minus 5 and time taken in downstream equals 30 by x plus 5, that is in hours. Then the total time taken is how much? 4 hours 30 minutes. Total time taken is 4 hours 30 minutes. Total time means, consider this is first one, this is second one. First time plus second time is equals to what? 4 hours 30 minutes. That is 30 by x minus 5 plus 30 by x plus 5 equals, you can take this one first or this one second, or you can consider this one also first. 4 hours 30 minutes, 4 30 by 60. Then remove 30 common. Here 1 by x minus 5 plus 1 by x plus 5 equals 4 31s are 32s are 4 1 by 2. Then here you take the LCM. LCM is the product of these two. X minus 5 into x plus 5. Then 1 into x plus 5 plus 1 into x minus 5 equals 4 2 is 8, 8 plus 1 9. 9 by 2. Then 30 into, you can do the 30 into 2, 60, you can write here. The product of x minus 5 and x plus 5 is a minus b into a plus b, which is x square minus 5 square. 1 into x, 1x, 1 into 5, 5 plus 1 into x, 1x, 1 into 5, 5 equals 9. Here 2 is gone here. Then here 3 3s are 3 20s are, write 20. Then 5 5 cancels. 1x plus 1x is 2x by x square minus 5 square is 25 equals 3. Then multiply is 20 into 2x is 40x equals 3 into x square minus 25. 3 into x square minus 25. Then 40x equals, multiply it, 3x square minus 3 into 25 is 75 minus 75. Interchange LHS and RHS. Write 3x square minus 75 in the LHS and 40x in the RHS. And you transfer this to the LHS to get the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Write 3x square minus 40x and this minus 75 equals 0. Now product equals 3x square into minus 75. 3x square into minus 75 is 5 3s are 15, 3 7s are 21 plus 1 22, 225 x square, and here negative sign is there, so the product becomes negative. And the sum is the middle term minus 40x minus 40x. Here the product is having negative sign, then the factors are having different sign. Greater factor is having the sign of the sum, that is negative. Then you write the factors of 225. Here the factors are minus plus. Factorize it. 225. 3 7s are 3 5s are 3 25s are 5 5s are 5 5s are. Then here the sum is minus 40. Product are having different sign. Then you can have here 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45, 45 and 5 minus 45x plus 5x. 45 5s are 225, minus 45 and plus 5x is minus 40x. Then you write 3x square as it is, minus 40x is minus 45x plus 5x, minus 45x plus 5x, and this minus 75 equals 0. Out of these two, remove common. What is common? 3x. In the bracket, x minus 3 15s plus here also 5 1s are 5 into x is 5x minus 5 equals 0. Here x minus 15, x minus 15. In one bracket you write x minus 15. In the other bracket 3x plus 5 equals 0. Equate each factors to 0. This is equals 0. This is equals 0. X minus 15 equals 0. Or 3x plus 5 equals 0. X equals 0 plus 15. X equals 15. 3x equals minus 5. X equals minus 5 by 3. Here, as x is the speed, we have to consider positive only. So, the speed of motor boat in still water is 15 km. When you write speed of motor boat in still water equals x equals 15 km per hour. Question number 70. Age of person A is 26 years more than age of person B. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. Find the present ages of person A and person B. In this question, age of person A depends on age of person B. So, let us take age of person B equals x. Then age of person A becomes x plus 26, because A is 26 years more than the age of person B. A's age is 26 years more than the age of person B. So, we have to take B says x and A says x plus 26, and after 3 years, the product of their ages 3 years from now means after 3 years, A's age becomes x plus 26 plus 3, which is equals to x plus 29, and B's age is x plus 3. So x plus 29 into x plus 3 equals 360 we have to take. Right. Let present age of B equals x years. Present age of B equals x years. Then present age of A equals x plus 26 years, because A's age is 26 years more than B's age. So we have to take the present age of A equals x plus 26 years. After 3 years, after 3 years, A's age equals x plus 26 plus 3 equals x plus 29 years. B says equals x plus 3. It increases 3 years. And it is given that the product of their ages becomes 360. Means x plus 29 into x plus 3 equals 360. Then you multiply x into x into 3, x into x, x square, plus x into 3, 3x, plus 29 into x, 29x, plus 29 into 3, 87. Transfer this 360 to LHS, it becomes minus 360 equals 0. Write x square as it is, plus 3x plus 29. 29 plus 3 is 32. 32x plus, here we have to subtract 87 by 360 and we have to put the negative sign, not plus, it is minus. Then you take 360 minus 87, 10 minus 7, 3, here 5 is remaining, 15 minus 8, 7, here 2 is remaining. So we got minus 273 equals 0. Then you take the sum and product. You got the equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Here the product is x square into minus 273, which is equals to minus 273 x square, and sum equals 32x. Then you take the product minus 273 x square is to be splitted into two factors. As the product is having negative sign, the factors are having different sign, and the greater factor is having the sign of the sum. So you take plus minus. Then you factorize 273. It is divisible by 3. 3 nines are. It is divisible by 3. 3 nines are, 3 ones are. Then 7 ones are, 7 threes are, 13 ones are. Here the sum is 32. So you can take 33 into 3, 39. 39 minus 7 is 32. Then you take 39x minus 7x. 39 into minus 7x is minus 273 x square, and 39x minus 7x is 32x. Then you take x square plus 39x minus 7x minus 273 equals 0. And these two, x into x plus 39. Here the common is x. So remove x as a common. In the bracket you are going to get x plus 39. Then minus here 7 and 273 is there. If you remove 7 common, in the bracket you are going to get 39. 7 is common. In the bracket x plus 39 equals 0, because out of the bracket minus sign is there. So this minus becomes plus. Next, here you got x plus 39, x plus 39, common bracket. X plus 39, write x plus 39 in one bracket, and here x minus 7 in the other bracket. X minus 7 equals 0. Equate each factors to 0. X plus 39 equals 0. X minus 7 equals 0. X equals 0 minus 39. X equals 0 plus 7. X equals minus 39. X equals 7. We have to consider this one. Here you got the value of x, means here present age of A equals x plus 26 equals 7 plus 26, which is equals to 33 years. And present age of B equals x years, that is 7 years. A says 33 years, B says 7 years. Question number 69. An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 km between two towns A and B. The average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour more than that of a passenger train. Find the average speed of these trains. Let us take the speed of the passenger train equals x km per hour. Then the speed of express train equals x plus 11 km per hour, because the speed of express train is 11 km more than the speed of the passenger train. Then time taken is equals to distance by speed. Then the time taken by the passenger train is equals to 132 by x, and the time taken by the express train is equals to 132 by x plus 11. And the first time is 1 hour more than the second time, or second time the time taken by the express train is 1 hour less than the passenger train, means the second time is 1 hour less than the first time, means we have to take 132 by x minus 132 by x plus 11 equals 1. Right, let speed of passenger train equals x km per hour. Let speed of passenger train equal x km per hour. Then speed of express train equals 11 km more than the passenger train, means it becomes x plus 11 km per hour. Time taken time by passenger train. Equals distance by time, distance by speed 132 by x. That is the time by the passenger train. Then time by express train, that is the time taken by express train. Again distance by speed 132 by x plus 11. This is the second one. And the first time taken by passenger train is 1 hour more than the time taken by the express train. Means the time taken by the express train is 1 hour less than the time taken by the passenger train. Means second time is 1 hour less than the first time. As the speed increases, time taken decreases. Then the first time minus second time equals how much? 1 hour. First time is 132 by x. Second time is 132 by x plus 11 equals 1. Then x into x plus 11. Here the LCM is x into x plus 11. Then 132 into x plus 11. 132 into x plus 11 minus 132 into x. 132 into x equals 1. Multiply 132 and x plus 11. 132 into x is 132x plus 132 into 11. 11 2s are 22. 2 carry. 11 3s are 33 plus 2 35. 3 carry. 11 1s are 11 plus 3 14. 132 into 11 is 1452 minus 132x by x into x square plus x into 11x equals 1. Can cancel 132x minus 132x. Here what is remaining? 1452 equals 1 into x square plus 11 is x square plus 11x only. 1 into x square plus 11x is x square plus 11x only. Now interchange LHS and RHS. X square plus 11x equals 1452. Now you transfer this 1452 the LHS to get the standard form of the quadratic equation. X square plus 11x minus 1452 equals 0. Now we have to factorize this quadratic equation by splitting the middle term. Here the product is x square into minus 1452, x square into minus 1452, which is equals to minus 1452 x square, and the sum is the middle term, that is 11x. Then you take minus 1452 x square. As the product is having negative sign, we have to write the different sign, and the greater factor is having the sign of the middle term, that is sum. So the factors are having different sign, plus and minus, and factorize 1452. It is divisible by 2. 2 sevens are 2 sevens are 14, 2 twos are 4, 2 sixes are, then 2 threes are 6, 2 sixes are 2 threes are. Next it is divisible by 3, 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 3 ones are. Then it is divisible by 11, 11 elevens are 121, 11 ones are. Here we have to take the difference 11, then you can take 11 into 2 into 2, 44, and 11 into 3, 33. The difference is 11. 44x minus 33x. Then you write x square plus 44x minus 33x minus 1452 equals 0. Out of this, remove common. X into x plus 44 minus here 33 is common. It is x plus 44 equals 0. The first bracket is common bracket is x plus 44 into x minus 33 equals 0. X plus 44 equals 0. X minus 33 equals 0. X equals 0 minus 44. X equals 0 plus 33. X equals minus 44. X equals 33. We have to consider this one as it is a speed. Then the speed of the passenger train is how much? 33 km per hour, and the speed of express train is equals to x plus 11, which is equals to 33 plus 11 equals 44. Then you write speed of passenger train equals 33 km per hour. Speed of express train equals, here it is x we have taken, x equals, then it is x plus 11, which equals 33 plus 11 equals 44 km per hour. That is the speed of the kilometer per hour. Question number 71. A farmer wishes to grow a 100 m square rectangular vegetable garden. Since he has only 30 meter barbed wire, he fences the sides of the rectangular garden, letting his house compound wall act as the fourth side fence. Find the dimension of the garden. Garden is in the rectangular shape. Consider AB, BC, CD, DA. You take AB is L, BC is B, DC is L, AD is B. And this L plus B plus L becomes 30 meter. Because there is no fencing for the fourth side of the field, the house compound becomes the fourth side. So the wire is for only 3 sides of the rectangular field, and the remaining one side is the compound wall. So let us take AB, BC, CD, DA, L, B, L, B. And here you leave, this is for the compound wall. Then L plus B equals 30. 2L plus B equals 30. Then B equals 30 minus 2L. B equals 30 minus 2L. Consider it is first one. Then area of field. Area of rectangular field equals L into B, which is equals to 100. And write L only. B is 30 minus 2L equals 100. Right? The multiplication of this one. Multiply 30 minus 2L by L. Then you will get L into 30, 30L. L into 2L, 2L square. Minus 2L square. And transfer this. Minus 200 equals 0. Then write minus 2L square first as a first term. Minus 2L square plus 30L minus 100 equals 0. To remove the minus sign, take minus 2 common. Minus 2 into L square minus 15L plus 50 equals 0. Then you write the equation becomes L square minus 15L plus 50 equals 0. This is the quadratic equation. Here the variable is L. Again you take the sum and product. In the place of L you can take X also. The product is L square into 50. Product equals L square into 50 equals 50L square, and sum equals middle term, that is 15L. 50L square. Product is having positive sign. The factors are having same sign, minus sign. 50 is in the table 10 into 5. It is in the table 2 into 25 or 10 into 5 or 50 ones are. But here you can use 10 into 5 minus 10L minus 5L. Then you write L square as it is. L square minus 10L minus 5L plus 50 equals 0. L square minus 10L. L is common here. That is L minus 10 minus 5 is common. Again L minus 10 in the bracket. You got the common bracket L minus 10 and L minus 10. L minus 10 in one bracket. In the other bracket L minus 5. L minus 5 equals 0. Then equate each factors to 0. L minus 10 equals 0 or L minus 5 equals 0. L equals 0 plus 10. L equals 0 plus 5. You got L equals 10 and L equals 5. Then here you can take L equals 10. Then B becomes. B is equals to what? Here you have taken B is equals to 30 minus 2L. if L equals 10, if L equals 10, then B is equals to 30 minus 2L equals 30 minus 2 into 10 equals 30 minus 20, which is equals to 10. That is 10 meter. This is 10 meter. If L is equals to 10 meter, then B is also 10 meter. Or if you take L equals 5, if L equals 10, B equals 10 meter. If L equals 5, B equals 30 minus 2L equals 30 into 30 minus 2 into 5, 30 minus 10 equals 20. Here it is rectangular field, then you can take 5 meter and 20 meter. If both are same, it becomes square shaped. If they are different, it is only rectangular shaped. So you can take L equals 5 meter, L equals 20 meter. Or you can take L equals 10 meter or L equals 10 meter. For rectangular, exactly rectangular shape, this is correct. And square is also rectangle, then it is also okay. Question number 72. The denominator of a fraction is 1 more than twice its numerator. The sum of this fraction and its reciprocal is 29 by 10. Find the fraction. Here, let us take the numerator x and the denominator y. If you take, it is given that denominator is 1 more than the twice its numerator, then the denominator becomes 1 more means plus 1 twice its denominator. 1 more than twice its denominator means 2x plus 1 is the denominator if x is the numerator. Denominator is 1 more than twice its numerator means if x is the numerator, then the denominator is 2x plus 1, 1 more than 2x. Sum of this fraction and its reciprocal means x by 2x plus 1 plus its reciprocal is 2x plus 1 by x equals 29 by 10. Let NR means numerator equals x, then denominator is equals to what? 1 more than twice its numerator means 2x plus 1. Then the fraction is x by 2x plus 1. Its reciprocal is 2x plus 1 by x. And sum of these two is equals to what? 29 by 10. Sum of these two is equals to 29 by 10. Therefore, you write x by 2x plus 1, x by 2x plus 1 plus 2x plus 1 by x equals 29 by 10. Now you take the LCM. LCM is the product of these two. 2x plus 1 into x. The numerator is x into x square plus 2x plus 1 whole square. 2x plus 1 whole square. Then The RHS is 29 by 10. Now you write x square as it is. X square. To expand 2x plus 1 whole square, use the identity a plus b the whole square, which is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square means square of the first term, that is 2x square, plus 2ab is 2 into first term 2x into second term 1, 2ab, plus square of the second term, that is 1 square, and the product of these two, x into 2x, 2x square, plus x into 1, 1x, equals 29 by 10. Then you write x square plus 2x whole square. 2x whole square is 4x square, plus 2 into 2x plus 1 is 4x, plus 1 by 2x square plus x equals 29 by 10. Now you do the cross multiplication. This into this. Here you write 10 into x square plus 4x square is 5x square, plus 4x, plus 1, equals 29 into 2x square plus x. 29 into 2x square plus x. Now you multiply these 10 and 5x square plus 1 by 10. It becomes 10 5s are 50 x square. 10 4s are 40x plus 10 1s are 10, equals 29 2s are 58 x square. 29 into x, 29x. Then you transfer here 50x square plus 40x plus 10 minus 58x square minus 29x. You take 50x square plus 40x plus 10 minus 58x square minus 29x equals 0. Transfer this to the LHS, they will get the negative sign. 50x square minus 58x square, here we have to subtract 50 from 58, that is 8. You take minus 8x square. 40 minus 29. 40 minus 29 is minus 11. Minus 11x plus 10. 50x square minus 58x square. 58 minus 50 is 8, but here the greater fact number is having negative sign, so it is minus 8x square. 40x minus 29x is plus 11x and plus 10 equals 0. Now remove the negative sign of this one. Minus 8x square minus 11x minus 10 equals 0. So we got the quadratic equation 8x square minus 11x minus 10 equals 0. Now take the product. Product is 8x square into minus 10. 8x square into minus 10 equals minus 80x square. Sum equals minus 11x. Minus 11x. Then minus 80x square here the product is having negative sign, so the factors are having different sign. Greater factor is having negative sign, smaller factor is having positive sign, and you know that 16 5s are 80 minus 16x plus 5x. Minus 16 plus 5 is minus 11. Minus 16 into 5 is minus 80. Then you write 8x square as it is minus 16x plus 5x minus 10 equals 0. And out of these two, write 8x into x minus 2 plus 5 into x minus 2 equals 0. Then common factor is x minus 2 into 8x plus 5. 8x plus 5 equals 0. X minus 2 equals 0 or 8x plus 5 equals 0. X equals 0 plus 2 or here 8x equals 0 minus 5. X equals 2. 8x equals minus 5. X equals minus 5 by 8. Here we have to consider the positive. Therefore, x equals 2 means you got NR, numerator equals x, denominator equals 2x plus 1 which equals 2 into 2 plus 1, that equals 4 plus 1 equals 5. Then the fraction is NR by dr, numerator by denominator is equals to x by 2x plus 1 equals to x equals here 2 you got 2 by 5. The fraction is 2 by 5. The fraction is 2 by 5. Question number 73. In a school, it was decided to distribute rupees 1500 equal to the students who secure A plus grade in the 10th standard annual examination. But after the results, 5 more students secured A plus grade than expected before the examination. Hence, the amount received by each student was reduced by rupees 25. Find the number of students who secured A plus grade after examination. Here, let us consider x is the number of students who secure A plus grade examination, A plus grade in the examination. Now let us take number of students expected for A plus grade. Number of students expected for A plus grade equals x. Then the amount will be received by each student becomes 1500 by x. Amount will be received by each. Received by each equals 1500 by x. Consider this is the first one. But after the examination, 5 more students secure A plus grade. After the exam, number of students secured A plus grade. 5 more means x plus 5. Then amount for each student. Amount by each student or amount for each student. 1500 by x plus 5. As the number of students increases, amount received by each decreases. Amount decreases by 25 rupees, that is first minus second equals 25. First one is 1500 by x minus second is 1500 by x plus 5 equals 25. LCM is x into x plus 5 and numerator becomes 1500 into x plus 5 minus 1500 x equals 25. Multiply this x plus 5 by 1500. 1500 into x is 1500x plus 1500 into 5. 15 5s are 75. It is 7500 minus 1500 x by x into x is x square plus x into 5 5x equals 25. X into 5 is 5x equals 25. 1500 minus 1500 cancels. Here what is remaining? 7500 equals 25 into x square plus 5x. You can cancel here. 25 ones are 25 threes are 75, 25 300s are. You got x square plus 5x equals 300. X square plus 5x equals 300. That is x square plus 5x minus 300 equals 0. Now you take the sum and product. Product is x square into 3 minus 300. P equals x square into minus 300 equals minus 300 x square, and the sum is 5x. Then the product is minus 300 x square. It is to be splitted. Here the product is having negative sign, so the factors are having different sign. The greater factor is having the sign of the middle term, that is the sum, plus minus. And here we have to factorize 300. You know that 20 into 15, 20x into minus 15, 15 2s are 30, 15 into 20 is 300, and 20x into minus 15x is x square plus 20x minus 15x minus 300 equals 0. Out of these two, remove x common. X into x plus 20 minus 15 into x plus 20 equals 0. In one bracket x plus 20, in the other bracket x minus 15 equals 0. Then x plus 20 equals 0, x minus 15 equals 0, x equals 0 minus 20, x equals minus 20, x equals 0 plus 15, x equals 15. We have to consider the positive as it is a number of students. Then this is before the exam. They guessed the expected number of A plus grade students is 15. After the exam, it becomes 5 more, means 15 plus 5 equals 20. So you write number of students who secured A plus grade after examination. Number of students who secured A plus grade after examination equals 20. After examination, how many students secured A plus grade? 20 students.